back. So today we're going to be doing another video with the same people. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So what we're going to do today is we're going to be doing Avantika's makeup. So Garima's going to use half of Avantika's face, I'm going to use half of Avantika's face. And we're going to make her look like scary and funny, okay? So by the end of it, you'll have to comment down below who did better. And while we do that, we're going to be answering some sister tag questions. So let's get started. Are you ready? So we're going to start. So Garima's going to start. She's using the brush. Not the brush, the sponge and the foundation. And here we go with our first question. Who is more talkative? Who is more talkative? Well, Avantika and Garima. They both are the most talkative people ever. It's like tiring to hear them talk for a day.
So
we're entertaining, funny,
yes.
lovely people.
She is not entertaining, not funny.
That's not true. I am entertaining when I want to be not every second.
Like she's an occasional joker.
It's the first
It's
time
like I'm painting my face.
It's the first time Avantika's like putting makeup on herself.
I hate makeup.
Not on herself, and her sisters are putting it for her.
Next
so it's
question.
even worse.
Who is more athletic?
Me.
Me.
Garima likes playing games like
Badminton.
those kind of games. But
Who is like you're painting my face?
I don't know, put too much of it. Come on, can we see it?
Stop it. Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Who is more chill? Me.
Oh,
Wow.
dude, what a joke, yeah.
Guys, stop making me look so bad.
You are bad. You're not making me look anything.
Do you have a favorite game when you were kids? I think we only play like Uno or cards.
Monopoly.
Monopoly we rarely.
No, we did.
Anushka, what are you sitting on me? It's like you're a paintbrush
Okay,
on my face.
Okay, now we're gonna continue with the other stuff while I
It's so
blend it
sticky.
in because I think I'm gonna do it too much. But let's
Little
continue.
too much?
Rub it all away.
I swear if I get more pimples over the I'll slap you both.
Okay, the question is who is lazier?
Anushka.
No,
Anushka.
it's
You
you.
can't be lying.
It's you.
I'm not the lazy guy.
You're done, you're done.
I'm not done, it's all blended. Okay, who sleeps longer? Garima.
Oh,
Anushka.
Anushka.
You're taking money for everything. I just finished blending in and now I'm going to be blending her foundation in because it's all over her face.
It's smelly.
Okay, so let's just move on.
And I'm gonna be using Cap Compact.
Okay, what is your favorite drink? My favorite drink is Sprite. No, don't judge, okay? It's really good.
Not in the mouth. That's so stupid. Yeah.
Next question is what is the funniest memory together with each other?
I'm done with Compact.
Guy was done with compact, now she's going to use eyeshadow. But what's the funniest memory with each other?
I think every day we have something or the other going on.
Some fights also.
So it goes back to this one day, okay, when me and Gari were crossing. We were not there. So me and Gari were crossing the road. I had a cake in our hand, and I had Garima with me on the other hand. And it was like a lot of traffic and stuff. And I either had to save Garima or the cake.
What?
And so the cake was flying in the air and splat. It was in the middle of the road, and all the cars, they were honking so much, and it was like a split way. Nobody was crossing that cake, and me and Garima couldn't stop laughing in the middle of the road.
They wasted the entire cake. Okay?
Yeah, like an entire precious, lovely cake was on the road, splat. And with the cover, what I was doing. And the cover also was trashed. It was so bad, and the cake was actually not that bad.
You tasted it.
Looked nice.
What is your sibling really bad at?
Everything.
Okay, I think I'm done with this. Look here. See, look all fair.
Wow.
And all your face problems have gone, disappeared.
I don't have face problems.
Okay, so now I'm going to be using the shadow. I'm going to make it look really scary. You know that, right?
Wait, no.
Okay, what are you really bad at? So,
I'm bad at maths
Garima's bad
and
at
spellings
and Garima's bad at painting.
and people's
drawing.
names.
Holy cow. What am I bad at, guys?
Being a human, good human.
Stop it, yaar. Okay, so one second. I love orange color, so I'm gonna make Avantika's eyeshadow orange and yellow. Let's go.
I'm gonna make it a really scary face.
I mean, it was so
shut your
much.
eye, please.
I wish I could show you guys the camera.
Can you shut your eye and
Is it open? Oh my god, isn't I please one eye at a time.
This looks so funny. I cannot. Okay, I think I'm using the wrong question. Okay, next question is. What am I bad at? What did I say?
You're
Being a
bad.
good human.
What's your
You
nickname?
won't do that, na? You cheat.
I don't know. See, what's your nickname for the family? Nickname? Gari, Garu, Antika,
Anka.
and mine is. My
Didi.
name is
Anshu.
Didi.
Didi.
Yeah, I'm not gonna tell you all the full forms, so don't even think about it.
Damsel in distress.
I'm Antika.
Yeah, come on, cut it.
I don't know why they called me that now.
So if you all see me, if you all see us calling her Didi on camera, that's why.
Everybody has started calling me that, including my friends and my family, literally.
I need
So the next question is, does your sibling have a YouTube channel? Garima has a YouTube channel.
But I don't
Avantika.
really post on it.
Can you stop yelling in my ears?
Oh my god, okay, I'm very bad at eyeshadow.
I'm not.
Ow! You're hurting me.
I
You can
swear
see
I
it.
will quit this video and stop you hurt me, okay? You're poking
And this is what I get because Avantika doesn't like YouTube. I have to like force her to do some, and Gari is damn nice. Garima agrees with a little bribe. Okay. What is one thing you can do that a sibling can't? I can. Okay, let me show you. I can bend my finger like this back.
Stop.
So what can you do, Avantika, that nobody else can do? And Garima, what can you do?
I can dance better than anyone.
Okay, Garima can dance. What can you do that
She
nobody else
cannot
can
do
do?
that. Your eyes.
I can run and save my life, they can't. Run to save my life. What must I say, bro?
I don't know. Who watches more TV? Garima.
Yeah.
Oh, she agreed for months. Wow. Okay, what's your sibling's favorite song? My right now is Anyone by Justin Bieber. Amanda Rose and Garima. Garima's is, I think, Kudinu Nachde De or I don't know.
Shower.
Why?
That is a song.
Garima.
I have like 2-3 favorites. Mine is Crazier Things or Movie in My Mind or Anyone.
Okay, we don't know.
No, we need to know.
Oh, dude, you look cool and shit.
I did that. Oh god. Oh god. You look so bad.
You're so mean. Can't even see all the front.
Okay, this one's funny, guys. This one's funny. If your sibling was an animal, what would you be? Cheetah.
You would be a pig.
And I'll.
Guy might be like a rabbit or something.
Can I do it?
We're still on the ice.
Of course, this is the best.
Okay.
I can make it look so
So I made Avantika's eyes tricolor. So there's gold, there's gold, there's the orange, and there's red.
So
You look
I have
damn
put.
Can I see how I
No, you can't.
I can see the discolored eye.
I've just done dark red, and some pink. And black all around her eye.
Now it's blush time, okay? I think enough of eyeshadow.
Oh
It's time for
god,
some-
look it up.
Which one of you do you think will get married first?
Avantika.
I will slap you both up the end you.
Avantika will get married first. I'm not invited for a wedding.
Excuse me.
Because she wants to do a Christian wedding. So yeah, let's just put it out there. Well, I'm not invited.
When you in Christian weddings, guests come.
If your sibling would go to a country, which one will it be?
Mine would be London. I mean, UK. Everybody.
USA.
This hope US and UK are countries. Huh?
Okay, I don't know what I'm doing.
And Anushka, Bangladesh.
That's not true. I want to go.
Nepal.
I'll do like Mexico. That would be nice.
Okay, name a city in
Stop
Mexico. Bloody cheater. God damn my face like that. Okay? I will really
Look
slap
what you
you.
made me do.
Guys, I really don't know what I'm doing.
Okay. Okay. Who is the most talented among all of you?
Me.
Me.
Okay, let the audience decide.
Okay, let the
Yes,
audience decide. You all decide and
the
let us know
audience.
who is the more talented.
In the
one.
comment
All
down
of us.
below, and also
And also stop Ishara fighting.
Stop hitting me.
Okay. Okay, next question. Huh. Are you all closer now or when you all were younger? I think
now.
No. Garima, you don't remember, that's why.
but why would you say not now?
No, I'll say same, yeah. Nothing has changed.
Okay, we'll just maintain silence for now.
Uh,
Okay, I'm gonna make it a pirate eye, is that okay?
I will slap you on the
Okay, this one's nice. Which one of you is gonna have a big family? I think Garima. I don't know why. I think Garima likes like more children. She loves. Why do you like?
Because I cannot see and I can see my color and my face is discolored.
And it looks like she got punched in the eye.
Yeah, it truly looks like she's got punched. And mine is like a Joker face. Okay, so there's like a very big line of black, and then on top it's like tricolor. So it's like creative but spooky.
Guys,
And
I
now-
think I really want this because nothing is done on her face except eyes. That's all.
Okay, now I'm gonna make it small so that it looks funny. Okay, next question is, what is the one thing?
Okay, I might also do some bruise over here, so I'm leaning on me down.
Okay, so what is the one thing you might not know about each other? Lamau, that's funny. I don't know.
I don't know. Seriously.
Do you really look like a Joker? It's like I'm doodling on a face with makeup, and it is so much fun.
No, it's not.
For her, it's not for us.
Dude, this is so
We are
fun.
getting all our revenge.
I don't know how Avantika agreed to this video, but she really did because she thought it's easier to just sit and like not talk much. But let me tell you
She's
guys,
very shy.
it's way more fun to do this. To be on this side. Do you compete with each other?
Yeah, Anshka does with me.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
What do you mean? Stop saying
So
rubbish.
once now, yeah, when I had won a medal and she didn't, she took the medal and posted
Okay, that was just one.
No. And in 10th standard, when I won the commercial study shield, she took a picture of it with it and she started crying because she was such a loser.
Guys, stop saying all this. No, guys, I mean.
And now I
Okay,
started my
guys.
company and not talking about the company.
Okay, I think I'm done.
Okay, so I guess I'm Garima's done and my last one. Okay, so now, so last question, guys, we're almost done. Last question to be answered is,
Yeah.
what did you most fight about? What did you fight most about at swimming? I think we fought about who is going to pick up Garima more, because I think we always had a fight that I pick up Garima more. But I was very scared.
No, she sucks at being with kids and stuff.
It's not like it sucked. I was just so scared that I shouldn't drop her, so I used to be like very particular.
Nice.
So Avantika used to pick her up more. But yeah, that's the most fight
I
that
don't
we had.
remember anything. So.
Guys, now it's too small to remember anything. But now it's time for the reveal. The big reveal for Avantika to know what she looks like.
But she looks more scary because I've done black everywhere on her face.
So it looks like her eyes punched and she's got like box and there's blood, like
Yeah.
bright blood. So
That's like, yeah.
Okay, now Avantika, you wear specs. So you can look at his specs.
What the hell is this? What is this?
Guys, comment down below who won.
I think I did. I think mine was way more cool.
Excuse
the
you?
torch. And he's like,
Excuse
look at his
you?
2 minutes.
Stop it.
But how?
Okay,
What is
I like
about the dogs?
So
You know
dogs
that
like a theme.
I can't smile only this side. It's like I'm.
So it's like actually dried up.
No, it's like I'm just sad.
Okay, but Anuga, what do you think? Who do you think did better?
Garima.
Yeah!
What the shit is this?
Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you get subscribed every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!